So here in modern periodic table, each period starts with alkali metal and ends with the noble gas element, zero group element. So first period is very short period having only two elements. Okay. And second period having 8 elements in it. Okay. So it contains 2 elements and it contains 8 elements. This is first short period. So elements which are present in second period, they are also called as bridged elements. And third period also having 8 elements. This is second short period. Okay. And it contains typical elements. Okay. Then fourth period having 18 elements. 18 elements. This is first long period. Okay. Then fifth period. It also again 18. Second long period. Sixth having 32. Longest period. And seventh period is incomplete period. Okay. All these are the 7 periods. So 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. Okay. So second period starting with lithium, ending with the neon. Third period starting with sodium, ending with argon. Fourth period starting with potassium, ending with krypton. Fifth period starting with rubidium, ending with xenon. Sixth period starting with cesium, ending with radon. And seventh period starting with francium, but this is incomplete period. Okay? Incomplete period. Then coming to some specialties in the nature of elements. So here 7 periods and 18 vertical columns. So 18 vertical columns, they are subdivided into A and B groups. Okay. First A to 7th A. Okay. So A groups and 0 group. Next second B to 8th. First B and second B. Third B to 8th. First B and second B. So all these are B group elements. So third B, 8th group, first B and second B. So all these groups, totally 10 groups are there, B groups. So they belongs to D block. And these are also called as transition elements. Okay. So transition series starts from third B group. Transition elements. Okay. So A group elements, B group elements. First A alkali metals, second A alkaline earth metals, third A boron family, fourth A carbon family, fifth A nitrogen family, sixth A oxygen family, seventh halogen. 0 group elements. Okay. Okay. So first A group elements alkali metals, second A group elements alkaline earth. So nitrogen family, those elements are also called as nicogens. Okay. Fifth A group elements are also called as nicogens. Sixth A group elements are also called as chalcogens. Seventh A group elements are also called as halogens. Okay. Next coming to transition elements. So transition elements, total 10 vertical columns are there. Third B to 8th. So here eighth group contains 3 columns. Okay. So transition triads. So they come in Mendeleev's periodic table. So transition triads. What are transition triads? Iron, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, osmium, iridium, platinum. So transition triads: iron, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, osmium, iridium, platinum. So these are placed in 8th group as it is in modern periodic table also. Okay. So including these 3 columns, total 10 B groups are there, which comes under transition elements. So third B group, this is the longest group. Okay. Third B group is longest group. So it contains transition elements and also inner transition elements. Okay. So inner transition elements, 2 series of elements are there. Okay. So lanthanides and actinides. So all these are present in inner transition elements. So 2 series of elements. And all these elements belongs to third B group only. So that's why this is the longest group in periodic table, modern periodic table. Okay. Then coming to first B group elements. First B group elements: copper, silver, gold. So these are also called as coinage elements. Coinage elements. Okay. Then second B group elements: zinc, cadmium, mercury. These are called volatile elements. Okay. Volatile elements. Then total periodic table contains, modern periodic table contains 11 gaseous elements. 11 gaseous elements. So total 0 group elements: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So total 6. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, 6. Then hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine. Okay. So total 11 gaseous elements, they are present in modern periodic table. And 2 liquid elements are also there. One is metal and another one is non-metal. Mercury and bromine. These 2 are liquid elements. Okay. So all these are some important points which are present in modern periodic table. Okay. So coming to transition elements, 3 are completed series. Okay. So first transition series, second transition series and third transition series. Okay, 3 series. One is incomplete series. Then coming to nomenclature of elements. Nomenclature of elements. So for elements whose atomic number is greater than 100, we have to follow IUPAC notation. Okay. For that, we use special abbreviations. If number 0 is there, we have to name that as nil, abbreviated with N. 1 is un, 2 bi, 3 tri, 4 quad, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 sept, 8 oct, 9 n. Okay. For example, atomic number 109 is there. Okay. So by using these abbreviations, ending name must be EM. Okay. So name ends with EM. So atomic number 109 is there. For 1 we use un. Okay. And 0, nil. Okay. And for 9N, Unnilennium. Its name is Unnilennium. So U-N-E. Unnilennium. Okay? If atomic number 111 is there. Okay? So Unnium. Its name is Unnium. Okay? Abbreviated with U. One that is abbreviated with U. Name as Unnium. Okay? If 117 is there, Unseptium. Unseptium. Like this. Okay? We have to follow the IUPAC notation.